Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a bit of a bonus video and we're going to be unboxing finally another camera. We got the Canon R6 here. So this is going to be my first full frame mirrorless camera. So we're going to have a look through it, see what it comes with and have a look at the camera itself. It's going to be interesting to sort of see the camera and see how it compares to obviously the R7 that I've currently got and go from there. But first of all, let's get out of this box here. Okay guys, so this is the R6 box. So have a look there, you got obviously the R6 logo on the front there, imagation of the R6 body itself, that lovely full frame sensor in full view. And you've got a few sort of bits about the contents of what's in here, device you use, obviously Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, and a few things saying you to visit there. And then on the side is your serial number usually and everything like that as well. So we don't care about that one though, what we care about is what's actually inside this lovely box here. So have an open up. Okay, so first of all we've got the usual advertisement to the imaging site with Canon there, with how you can sync it up via the cloud and everything, so that's all in that documentation there. And then we have some more documentation about waste and where you should put stuff. Don't care about that. We have got the manual here, so this is in every language known to man, as it always is, but I will be having a bit of a read of this and sort of familiarise myself, because I know that some of the settings are fairly different to what is on the R7, so it'd be good to have a read of that and work out what's going on there. We've got the charger. This is just a standard charger, one battery charger. I've got a two system that I use, so I don't tend to use the Canon ones unless I go away anywhere. I tend to take these as like a almost like a travel charger nowadays rather than a full-on charger, but you've got that in there as well. I'll leave that in the box. Quite important, you've got a battery. Let's get that out here. So this is what Canon use on a lot of their stuff now. Let's see if this will focus on for us. So this is the LP-E6NH, so it's the higher capacity version of the LP-E6. This is what the R7 uses as well, so you should be able to get a fair amount of photos on here, especially when I'm planning to get a grip as well. We'll have two batteries in there and it'll work quite nicely, so we'll leave that to one side so we can turn the camera on in a second. So we'll leave that in there, leave that in there. Next tray down, we've got in this bag here is the UK plug for the charger itself. Obviously I'm in the UK, so that's my plug there. Again, probably won't be using this, I've already got one spare, and then that there. Got your neck strap. I believe this is actually R6 branded as well. They're so narrow though now, like the old one DSR ones were about this wide. They're about half as wide. Yeah, R6 written on there as well. Just so you know what you got when you're out and about. I won't be using this, I use the Black Rapid straps, so that can go back in the box itself. And then finally, the most important part of everything that we're looking at here, the R6 itself. So let's pop this out. So straight away it's a little bit bulkier feel wise than the R7. The main point is this nice big sensor on there. Full frame sensor actually fills the hole. It's in like the crop sensor version. Got your buttons there. Got nice big flip out screen on here, which is nice. I always tend to, when I'm shooting, have it like this, and then only get out when I'm reviewing. You've got when the camera actually starts to focus for us, there we go. You've got a different sensor point on the R7, I believe it's up here on the side. This is down here on there. You don't have your big wheel, just got your joystick in there. You've got your wheels up here instead, which actually is quite a nice place to have it, but it makes zero difference really for the usage. On off button dedicated over here. But yeah, it's definitely feels a little bit bulkier. Got your same cards as the R7, so that won't be a problem to move them across. And then your battery holder here. And the big thing that you can do on this that you can't do on the R7 is you can remove that one-handed, and then it uses that USB-C port there to actually hold your grip in there when you get the grip. So yeah, easy as that to go on and off. But yeah, looking forward to getting this out, getting it used, and we'll get a grip for it as well, and then we'll pop that on there. So yeah, should be all cool. Okay guys, so that is the unboxing of the R6. There it is here in my hands. I'm looking forward to getting using it out in the wild and comparing it to the R7 and seeing what the feeling is, seeing if I feel I can get better photos with this at all. Being full frame, and the fact I'm just so used to full frame, maybe they're the issues I'm having with the R7, that I'm so used to full frame and how full frame works and runs, that going the R6 might have been a better option from the start. But at least I've got the R7, I can use it, I can review it against other things, and I've got the R10 as well. So we're going to use this, we use it for wildlife sports. I've got an air show coming up, so I'll be doing it for that as well, and obviously zoo photography as well. So if you want to see more and my feelings on this camera, please subscribe. If you've got an R6 and you want to let me know what your thoughts are on the camera, please let me know as well. I have got a grip coming for this camera, so we're going to be putting a battery grip on here. I'm going to do a video about that as well. So again, if you want to watch that, please subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching as always. Goodbye.